Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Apurva Agarwal and I make bullet journaling videos. This time I'm going to set July's journal, and I know as always I am a little late for it, but who cares? June was a very hectic month. I started a song doodle challenge which I was planning to make daily, post daily, but nothing like that actually happened. First, I thought of creating the doodles in advance and then posting reels on the next day, which will give me a 1 day safety time. So the original planned date was June 14th, which was a Monday. But on 13th June afternoon, my sister told that it's BTS 8th anniversary today. And since the first song was Butter, so obviously I should post it on Sunday itself. So that is how I lost to my advanced drawing thing. Next, I had a project deadline for which I worked till late night, and I lost a day without posting anything again. Now, most of the days I posted very late at night, like 10, 11, 1. Yes, obviously, one reason was me that I usually started drawing around 7 or 8, and then it would be done by 9 or 10, and then I would start creating reels. But the main thing was reels. Creating a reel took so long. I don't know what is the problem. Sometimes it hangs, sometimes the app shuts down, and then a day when my content was literally ready at 8:30, I lost the option to make a 30-second reel. Okay, so I cleared the cache, nothing happened. I reinstalled the app, nothing happened, except for the fact that this time I lost the 30-second option on my other account, a Foodwise. So I thought, let's reinstall it. And then this time the reel option was gone. Like literally gone. Then I installed it on my dad's phone, iPad, my phone again. After which I got the reel option back, but it was 15 seconds only. So I finally posted it on the next day, waste of half the content and mobile space. And that is how I took a lot of days in posting them. But not only was this song doodle a new thing for me, I had my first order and I had to make her journal for the month of July and August. So obviously creating, packing, posting and receiving has to be done by 1st July maximum. So as soon as the doodle challenge was over, I left my journal and kept her as the priority. The video of the flip through will be out soon. Now coming back to my setup, most of my pages are almost set, as in the drawing part is almost done thanks to the doodle challenge. I mostly took care of the doodles to be placed in such a way that I can actually use those pages for monthly spread. Let's start with the first page. So earlier I was planning to print some song covers, paste them over here and then all that stuff, but it will be too much of a work. So it is better if we switch to a simple design. So here I'll be writing down the names of few of my favorite songs that I have been listening a lot past 1 or 2 months. I'm giving it a music player look, like with pause, play, forward, backward button. And on the right, I have July written with the earphones, which is attached to an MP3 player. I'll surely add some colors and background to it later on. Next is monthly log page, and this was my first song doodle out of the 9. I'm sorry to Jimin and Army that I couldn't do well with the drawing, but I really tried very hard with this. I'm drawing a notepad look where I'll be writing down few of the tasks, events, important things for this month. just recounting and checking the days and the dates. I don't want to stick a page cutting again like last time. So the ink started spreading when I was drawing the other page, actually painting. Let me just correct it. Next we have is Waterlog and Sleeplog. Song was Eyes Blue Like the Atlantic by Sista Prod. It's a very beautiful song, very calming. I haven't heard it before I got this doodle challenge. I don't know, somehow putting these doodles along with monthly spreads was little easy. For example, relating the drowning boy with the water log and then ice with a sleep log, and then the M of monthly log being replaced by BTS symbol on the last page. But yes, obviously there are some exceptions and you'll come to know which one it was. This one was for the song Barish Ki Jaye. English transformation will be, I don't know, May the Rain Falls. Now, unlike the last two songs, these spreads are not related to the song. But yes, I'll give it a blue theme to make it a bit related to rain, water, etc. I forgot to make a column space for 31st, but it is okay, we'll make it alright. I'll color the alternate days so that 31st column doesn't look very odd. Oh, by the way, I'm making habit tracker and goals page over here. As usual, I'll be having a reading log, even though I haven't finished my first book for this year yet. But I still feel bad to not make this tracker, and then at the end of this month, I feel bad that, as always, I haven't used it yet. Next theme we have is Katy Perry's 365, a very sweet song. I'm going to put my brain dump social media section over here because that is one thing which is always on my mind, like for 90% of the day. It's always a good thing to let the page dry after using markers and sketch pens and then write over it or erase that area. Otherwise, either the pen ink starts spreading or the page comes out. Yes, next is my favorite, Pretty Savage by Blackpink. I didn't want to mess with Lisa's face, so like, you know how it happened with Jimin's. So I left the eyes and nose and lips, and I think the drawing really came out well. Here I'm putting my to buy and expense section. It will be more like money in and money out section. And I thought that this line really suits well when we talk about expenses, They are really unmanageable. I'm finally on memories page. This time I thought of drawing down the memories instead of writing a line a day. Something like Polaroids, So like on 1st of July, I rode my cycle after a very long time, which I have been thinking like just wake up early, go out and exercise a bit. So maybe I'll draw a bicycle in the box, and just something which you can relate your day with. Obviously, I can pour down more feelings on any other page if I want to elaborate my day more. But just trying something new. I really enjoyed having memory page last month. I guess June's theme was overall a success. I was happy with the weekly layout, how simple and spacious they were. Memories page, I loved it. A really good alternative for diary entries. And the best thing that I actually jotted down all my tasks every day. So this is the exceptional song I was talking about, where I couldn't understand what exactly should be going over here. Song is Savage Love by Jason Derulo. I made the wings as there's a line saying looking like an angel, but you ain't. So after a lot of thinking, I decided to have my weekly task over here. The task that you usually do once every week, cleaning and all stuff. Almost done with the monthly spread. Here I'm making master to-do list. This time I wrote it as main to-do list, one of the same things. Here I'm drawing my week one's spread, and I am thinking of adding my task and the note list for the weekly section separately this time. Moving to the next page, we have the doodle from the song Jalebi Baby, a very hit song by Tesher originally, and then he sang this song again with Jason Derulo. I'll start with my July days from this page since it's already 4th day today. By the time I post this video, it must be probably 6th or 7th June. So yes, I'll be filling this whenever I need some extra space and write down the task over here. Since the first week of July has only 4 days, I'm drawing my week 2 task and note section on this page itself. Last song is Oh No No by Kipon. I made the Among Us theme of electrical because that was the most common place where you would find dead bodies and you die yourself too. So that's almost the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Do give your comments and feedbacks below. I'll be posting next week's design on my Instagram page, and I am thinking of making flip throughs of May and June. Just thinking. So if you have anything on your mind that you want to include in your journal but you don't have an idea about it, you can comment below or message me on Instagram and I'll try my best to help you out. Once again, thank you for watching and I hope you have a lovely day. See you next time.